Hey everyone, I'm back today again with a salad, and in today's salad we're starring some wagashi. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I have been experimenting a lot with wagashi. I know it's really lovely fried with a little bit of suya spice to go with it, but I just want to do a bit more. And so this salad is going to be featuring a wagashi. So we're going to cook the wagashi in some water, some salted water, and some rosemary, just to let the wagashi get some additional flavor, and then put that to the side. We're also going to be toasting some sunflower seeds, just for a little bit of a crunch. And then we are also going to be adding some shrimp. So our shrimp is going to be cooked in some garlic, some butter, and some parsley. We're just going to make sure that we're not overcooking the shrimp. I'm a huge fan of shrimp. If you didn't know, it's one of my favorite things to eat. And so it's a nice addition to this salad. So we're just going to cook that for a few minutes, make sure they get a nice color on them. When they're almost cooked, we're going to put a little splash of lemon juice on there. So you can see that they've gotten a bit of color. We don't want them overcooked. So there I have a bit of parsley that I added just for, additional flavor. Just going to stir that a bit and then take that off the heat and then put that to the side. So next up, we're going to cut up our cucumber. And for this salad, we're using some mixed salad that I happen to buy. So we're going to put that in a nice bowl. Some cherry tomatoes I have grown and which have been bearing fruit, albeit very slowly. And then we're just going to take our wagashi and then crumble that over the salad. Add the toasted sunflower seeds as well, and then put your shrimp on top. And so once we've put the salad together, the dressing also comes together pretty quickly. As a choice of dressing, you can use whatever dressing you're a fan of. I decided to use some yogurt. So I just mixed some yogurt with some herbs, some oil, some salt, some black pepper. If you want to know the full recipe for the dressing as well, then please check out gingerandsseasalt.com. And that is our salad all done. A beautiful mixed salad with crumbled wagashi, some toasted sunflower seeds, and some parsley and garlic shrimp. I hope that this recipe is something that you will try. I totally enjoyed it. It's a quick salad to make and a nice way to do something else with wagashi. Now watch out, I put a lot of other ideas and other things I have filmed with wagashi, so those will be out on the blog as well. Be sure to follow this channel so that you can get updated on all the recipes that I will be trying. I hope that, as usual, you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, remember to share it with your loved ones. I would love to get to more subscribers before the year ends or before we turn one. That would be amazing. But also thank you to all of you who have been watching my videos and liking and commenting. I truly, truly appreciate it. Making content is not easy. So I do appreciate every comment and every like and every share that I get. See you next time. Happy eating!